Hi, this is Laura, and I am gonna explain you today how to do rolling candles. So I want to first introduce you to the materials. So this is the box that I received, and in the box you will be able to see something like this. So you see it comes with a paper, and then you take it off and you uncover, in this case, a honeycomb sheet of beeswax that smells absolutely wonderful. I just cannot, oh my god, stop smelling it. And then other things, you see, this is the package. Let me just get it for you. I ordered in the place that I buy it. You need to order 20 of them in order to be able to order from them. So I did see that I'm gonna do a lot of candles with the children in the next year. So I decided to just buy the 20. So it has two packages like that in the box. And then another thing that you also need, that I just had here and now I don't find, is, here they are. Okay. So you need the wick. So actually I made a mistake with this one. I didn't want to get this specific one. I wanted to get a full roll, but when I ordered it, I didn't realize that he's gonna send me just these little pieces of wick, but it's okay, it will give me enough to make the candles. So the first thing that you do is you spread your sheet. One thing they tell you is that you can use a blower, hair blower, to be able to, I'm gonna just adjust this a little bit. Yeah. A hair blower, just to make sure that it's moldable. If it's in the cold weather, this is gonna break easily. So you need to make sure that it is warm in your house, and if it's not, you might want to just warm it up a little bit. This table, it was not the original table I used for my children when we did together. We did over wooden table. Another trick is to put underneath a cardboard, because cardboard keeps the warmth, while, for example, this table, which is melamine probably or something like not natural, is not going to keep the warmth. So then what you need to do is to measure how big you're gonna make your candle. So once you see that, this is a very easy way to do with little children. I did it with a 2-year-old and a 3-year-old, and it was just very good. So you need to make sure that you measure it here around 1/8 of an inch from the end. So what I did, because the beeswax is soft, because it's not yet a cold weather, so I just press it down, so then for the children will not lose the wick. Otherwise they can lose it easily. I left a tiny little bit here on the bottom. You really don't have to do that. I just left it, I don't know, I think I have a little bit of the feeling that maybe I needed that extra for the end of the candle. And then on the top, you need to leave more or less 1/4 of an inch. So I just cut it there. When I did it this way, I just made sure the children helped me press it down a little bit. So once it's like this, you can just start rolling it very gently. If it's cold, it's gonna break. So you don't want that. And once you start doing this, what you want is that it will stay as together as possible without pockets. So I help them doing this first part, and then from here on, see, just gently, you can start rolling. Now that I have enough space, I just start just rolling and rolling, making sure it does not go to the side, because it can also get too much of a roll on one side. So I was needing just to help them make sure that they roll with the same pressure. So this, let's say, is the easiest way to do a rolling candle. And you see, it's super easy. You see this one here, it does not have any holes in between. With the children, it didn't come up as perfect. There were some spots in between, but it was not too bad. It was enough for the candle to be able to stay anyways. So here you can see it stands on its own. We put it in we didn't have a candle holder for this, and anyways it's very long, as you can see. So I decided to put it just on top of inside of mason jar to make sure it does not tilt, does not fall. It just stays in place as it needs to be. So, and it smells oh so well. So this is the honeycomb again, honeycomb. I'm gonna put the information down in the video, so where you can find it. So so yeah, it's I believe this is in Canada, so I believe not all people that does beeswax will have this type of sheets for rolling, but there is tons of sets online that you can also buy. I just went to the source because I tend to do that. Yeah, so have a happy rolling time.